Katie, you're welcome. Please have your seat. Ariel, you're welcome. Oh, my boy. Emmanuel. Emmanuel number 2. And who is this? Milton. Emilson. You're welcome. Now, just listening to the name, who can tell me what do you guess we're going to be doing? For arts and crafts? Yes, Irene? Job from staff. Okay, I'm seeing those who are going to be
So my first time doing resin, I kind of felt like a little weird because I've never tried resin before. It's like all new and I haven't like seen it before. And so it actually was fun. Like you did like mix it, put in the color, and then put it in a mold. But I was a little surprised about all the other materials we need, like an electric drill, a heater. But it was still fun overall. So what I learned is that like we need a heater to make the bubbles get out of the resin, because I did not know resin can make bubbles. And one thing I liked about my teacher was she was very nice, very excited for us to do new things, and overall it was actually pretty good.
I learned how to make the resin mold, and it was very cool because people kept on the teacher called people to go up, and I was one of them. I got to mix the mold, and then we got to put color in it. We got to put it in the mold, and then now we're gonna wait for it to dry, and then tomorrow we'll come back and we'll put the keychain inside of it. And then the class was very interesting. I really liked the way how the teacher's expression is like. She's very lively, and I really like that.
Class was good, and I learned resin art, painting, and a lot of things. We had fun. My teacher was kind and amazing to us.
My name is Emmanuel. I learned many things today, like how I learned how to do art, learned how to cook, and my teacher was very patient with me.